Hello, I'm going to show you a tool for placing a JPEG image on top of a document. So for the first example, we're going to create a new action. If you haven't created an action set for this, you might want to do that first. So let's create one called place. And then our first action is going to look like this. It's just going to consist of the keyword place, and I'm going to hit record, and then I'm going to, as my only step here, I'm going to invoke this script which I have saved here. So it's called PlaceIt.jsx. So I open this. This script is going to ask for an image. So I'm just going to put my logo here, and it doesn't matter what it's doing here. We just press stop here to stop the recording. So I can get rid of that image. So what this script does is when I run it, sorry, there it is. When I run it, it's going to ask for an image, and it's going to place that image all over the spread. Okay, that doesn't seem very useful, but that's just the first stage. Next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to duplicate this, and then I'm going to change the name of this, and I'm going to add a file name here. It's a JPEG file that's in the same folder as the script. It's called istafoto.jpg. And now when I run the script or the action, it will place this file there automatically. It won't ask for it because it sees the name here in the action name. Okay, so let's get even more advanced. Duplicate this again. Now I have a third copy of this action, and I'm going to add some coordinates here. So I'm going to say that I want this logo to appear 1% from the left side, 90% down, that's the top left corner, and then I'm going to put a star here, which means that I don't care, and then 99%. So the 1% and 90%, that should be down here somewhere, and the star means that don't change the aspect ratio of this JPEG file. Make it whatever you have to be, whatever is necessary to keep the same aspect ratio, but the bottom corner here should be at 99%. So let's try this. So it appears there. And if I wanted to come in a little bit further from the edge, I can just change the 1% here to 2%. And then let me get rid of this. Run this again, and it's a little bit further in. Okay, let's look at another way of using this script. Here's a document with ID cards, and let's say you would put a little advertisement below, as suggested by Peter Löfqvist. So let's duplicate this again, and let's change the name of this action to be and instead of percentages, I'm going to use absolute coordinates here, and they are, I measure this ahead of time, 6590, that's this corner here, and the other one is 1710 and 1119. That's this corner down here. Okay, so let's try this. And that puts this JPEG image right where it needs to be. So you've seen all the different usages of this PlaceIt script. You can have a file name. If you don't have one, it will ask for it, a JPEG file. But if you provide one, it will put it at the coordinates that you supply. If you don't supply the coordinates, it will fill the entire document. Okay, thank you.